What is a pronoun? Pronoun क्या होती है? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. यानी pronoun वो लफ्ज़ होता है जो noun की जगह इस्तेमाल हो ताकि बार बार नाम repeat न करना पड़े. Simple rule. Pronoun is equal to noun का replacement. Example, before and after. Without pronoun. Ahmad is my friend. Ahmad is very honest. With pronoun. Ahmad is my friend. He is very honest. यहाँ he is equal to pronoun used instead of Ahmad. Kinds of pronoun. Pronoun की इकसाम. There are 6 main types of pronouns. Personal pronoun. शख्सी ज़मीर. जो person या चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होती है. Example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Examples. Ali is my brother. He lives in Karachi. Aisha is very kind. She helps others. I love my country. It is very beautiful. Possessive pronoun. मलकियत ज़मीर. जो ownership या मलकियत बताए. Examples. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Examples. This is my book. That is her bag. Pakistan is our country. Demonstrative pronoun. इशारी ज़मीर. जो point out या इशारा करे. Examples, this, that, these, those. Examples, this is my school. That is Minar-e-Pakistan. These are my shoes. Reflexive pronoun. इनिकासी ज़मीर. जब काम खुद पर ही वापस आए. Examples, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Examples, Ali hurt himself. I did my homework myself. She prepared tea herself. Interrogative pronoun. सवाली ज़मीर. जो question पूछने के लिए यूज़ होती है. Examples, who, what, which, whom, whose. Examples, who is your teacher? What is your name? Which is your bag? Relative pronoun. जुमला जोड़ने वाली ज़मीर. जो 2 sentences को जोड़ दे. Examples, who, which, that, whom, whose. Examples, this is the boy who lives in Lahore. This is the book which I bought. He is the student that won the prize. One mixed sentence with many pronouns. Ali said he lost his bag. This is the bag which was found by himself. Word. Type. He. Personal. His. Possessive. This. Demonstrative. Which. Relative. Himself. Reflexive. Quick revision table. Type. English name. Urdu name. Example. Personal. Personal pronoun. शख्सी ज़मीर. He. She. Possessive. Ownership. मलकियत. My. His. Demonstrative. Pointing. इशारी. This. Those. Reflexive. Self-action. इनिकासी. Myself. Interrogative. Question. सवाली. Who. What. Relative. Joining. निस्बती. Who. That. Practice time. Student work. A. Fill in the blanks. Ahmad is my friend. Dash lives in Lahore. This is dash book. My / mine. Dash is your teacher. Aisha cooked food. Dash. B. Find the pronoun. She is my sister. They are playing cricket. This is my house. Who is your best friend?
इन सवालों के जवाब कमेंट्स में दें. ये आपकी प्रैक्टिस है. और इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट्स और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको आने वाली सब वीडियोस मिल सकें.